Hey everyone, welcome to Fall 2020. I hope we're excited. For those of you that don't know me, I am Alex Mitchell, a math teacher at Cleveland, and I was your IXL point person for a while, and then the district decided to purchase IXL for every English and math teacher. So I thought I would help you get started if you wanted to use it. So I'm going to help you install it into Schoology and then show you how to get your new username and password. So why don't we open up Schoology together? And while you do that, I'm going to share my screen. All right, and I've already been playing around with it, as you can see. When we get to Schoology, we're going to click the 4 tiny boxes near the top right and go to the LMS App Center. Now that opens up a new window for me, and it might not for you, so I better go find it and share it with you. Okay, so you should be seeing my LMS App Center. This is what it looks like. We're not changing anything. We're just going down where it says publisher name, going over here and typing in IXL. Click submit. All right, now, it depends on what day you do this. They just changed the title to Setup Almost Complete, which hopefully that'll go away soon and just be IXL. Either way, it's the title that we're looking for. We're gonna click it. Okay, it takes me back to my old window, so I better get over there for you. Okay, you should be seeing a screen with a big old IXL, and we're gonna look for the tiny IXL install LTI app. We're gonna agree. Now you should be seeing all your courses. You're gonna go ahead and check the courses that you want to use IXL with. So I'm using it for my Algebra 2s and I'm using it for my geometry class. Do not check the little course admins only. You want your kids to be on there. So go ahead and hit install. I'm gonna click cancel because I don't want to change my settings, but you are gonna click install. When you do that, we can go back to our courses, pick any course that you have IXL in. And if we scroll down way below our picture, we should have IXL Learning on the left side. So we're gonna click it. And we're gonna get a screen that looks like this. Since they're in the process of updating, all our screens might look different. So if you're new to IXL, this is fairly straightforward. If you've used it before, you're gonna have to do this anyway, so don't think that you can't. We're gonna actually say that we forgot our username. So go ahead and click forgot username, and type in your LAUSD email address. All right, when you're done with that, you're gonna hit submit, pause the video, go to your mailbox, get your username, and then when you're ready, start the video again. All right, so you hit submit. At this point, you have your username. Before you type it in, go to forgot password. Type in that username. Should be your single sign-on with @LD_Northwest at the end. Type in your LAUSD email address. Click submit to get your password reset. Pause the video, check your mail for your new password, and then come back to sign in with me, okay? All right, so you should have your new password. You should have your new username. So let's go ahead, and the easiest way to get there is to just go ahead and type in our new username. So we used to be at Cleveland HS because Cleveland purchased it itself. We are now at LD Northwest. And we're gonna type in the password that you either chose or they gave you, and we can hit sign in. Now you're gonna do this, your students shouldn't have to do this. Okay, so it takes us to the main page. If you're new to IXL, I suggest you click on Learning, go ahead and browse either math or language arts, and take a look at some assignments you would like to assign. This is great for remediation and it's great for enrichment. But before you get too far, go to your name, click roster. So find your name in the top right, click roster. It should take you to your roster. As of Monday, August 17th at 3:11 p.m., a lot of my former students are on my roster as well as my current students. I'm imagining that as the setup gets complete, those former students will go away and it will just be the current students. But eventually, you're going to want your students, current students, on IXL, and maybe you want your former students on there as well. But your current students you're going to want on IXL. So before class on Thursday, August 20th, the first day of school, for those of you watching the video late, I am going to click email each student their username and password. I'm going to click this little tiny word email before my first period on Thursday so that all my students, periods 1 through 6, are going to get their username and passwords. And then during class time, if there is time on those first days of school, I'm going to have them sign in while we're Zooming so that I can troubleshoot any technical difficulties there. So that's where you're going to get that. They're going to get their new usernames and passwords since they are no longer at Cleveland HS either, okay? I would love to do more videos to help you out with anything you are interested in, so let me know if there's something specific, and I'm happy to do it, and I'll probably put up one about getting grades and how to, at least how I like to read them, okay? Until then, happy exploring, good luck to the start of the year, and I'm sure I'll be in touch with you at some point.